Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value, the solution. 8 to the power of x equal to 125. Take log on both sides. Log 8 to the power of x equal to log 125. Log m power p equal to p log m. X log 8 equal to log 125. Now divide by log 8 on both sides. Now x log 8 by log 8 equal to log 125 by log 8. This cancels this, so x equal to log 125 by log 8. 125 equal to 5 to the power of 3 and 8 equal to 2 to the power of 3. Applying here, log 5 to the power of 3 by log 2 to the power of 3. 3 log 5 by 3 log 2. This cancels this. Now x equal to log 5 log 2. Therefore we know that log a by log b equal to log a base b. Applying here, x equal to log 5 by base 2. This is the x value. Check. We know the equation that 8 to the power of x equal to 125. Also we know the x value, x log 5 base 2. Applying on this equation, 8 to the power of x 125, 8 to the power of log base 2 log 5 equal to 125. 8 equal to 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 log 5 base 2 equal to 125. Log m power p equal to p log m. Two log 2 by power of 3 base 2 equal to 125. A to the power of log b base a equal to b 5. Also we have this power 3. I am writing that 125. 5 to the power of 3 is 5 into 5 into 5. So 125 is this side. 125 equal to 125. LH yes, equal to RH. Yes, that's proved.